Hello, Shreya. Many congratulations for achieving All India rank 28. This is amazing. How do you feel, beta?
I'm feeling very proud, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your congrats.
So, now the result was out. Were you expecting this rank already?
Yes, ma'am, I'm expecting the rank.
You were expecting the rank. It was your first time, both groups, and for the first group, you didn't take any classes also. This is what I recall.
Yes, ma'am.
And for second group, we were also privileged that we were able to teach you, because I see your chat. Future, I was going through the chat of Shreya, and she has been asking me questions. She has been sending me her notes. She was telling me how was her experience with the marathons, right, Shreya?
Yes, ma'am. For the first group, for the law subject, your marathon helped me a lot, ma'am.
Okay, I'm so
And I scored
happy to know
exemption in
that.
law, ma'am.
Wow, you secured exemption in law. Okay, that is superb. Congratulations. In a theory subject, when you secure exemption, that is something. Yeah. Of course, practical subjects are also important, but a lot of students are scared with theory subjects. Yeah.
Ma'am.
Very well. Yes, Piyush, you were saying something.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, heartiest congratulations, Shreya, for achieving this rank. And ma'am, one thing I can
Thank you, sir.
recall very clearly, कि she was the one who solved all the questions of my book. मतलब basically the question bank I provided to all the students, she was the only one. मतलब बहुत सारे students थे, but she was the only one who solved each and every question of that book. Even क्योंकि ऐसा होता है जो देख क्वेश्चन हमें देख के पता होता है कि that yes this is that it is a difficult question. बट बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स उसे नहीं करते थे कि चलो रहन देते हैं बट क्योंकि कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे थे जो मैं खुद से लेकर आता था अपने एंड से बना के बट शी वॉज द वन हु सॉल्व ऑल द क्वेश्चंस डाउट आया शी ऑलवेज यूज टू आस्क मी द डाउट्स कॉन्टिन्यूसली वेदर एग्जाम से 2 दिन पहले हो महीनों पहले हो शी जब उसने बैच परचेज किया था फ्रॉम दैट डे शी वॉज कंसिस्टेंट एंड आस्किंग द क्वेश्चंस रेगुलरली एंड बस डे से ही मेरी
Yes,
बात
sir.
होती क्योंकि मैं अब श्रेया विल कंफर्म दिस दैट आई कॉल एवरी स्टूडेंट एटलीस्ट वंस इन अ मंथ. So basically, from the very first day, she was very clear that I will give both groups and I will try to secure a rank.
So, as you mentioned, I practiced each and every questions, not one time, sir, 4 to 5 times.
Yes, yes, I know that.
So
I know that.
that's why I scored 78 in your subject, sir.
That is really
78
great.
in FMBDA. Superb,
Yes, ma'am.
superb, Shreya. Very good. Now, All India rank, you were aiming and you were able to achieve it. So, how is your experience with the classes? Any message that you would like to give to the students who are appearing in December 26th?
Uh, for the message is to focus more on the MCQs. In the MCQ, try to score 20 plus mark in the MCQ. I also scored 28 and 26 in almost all subject. I scored 28 in the MCQ itself. If you score more in the MCQs, you can easily secure the exemption. Not only pass, you can easily secure the exemption also. Give same importance to the all the chapters and all the concept. Focus more on the revisions also, ma'am. This is my message to
Yes.
all.
Very true. Yes, it's a strong message coming from Shreya. This is what have we have been also reiterating, time and again, that MCQs are crucial. They play a very important role not only for passing the paper but for getting exemption. And for Shreya, it is inevitable, very much visible that she was able to secure All India rank. Of course, rest of the topics are important, but MCQ play a pivotal role. Yeah. And Shreya,
And
like you rightly mentioned, that revision is of essence. Yes, revision, doing questions multiple times not only gives you confidence, but then that confidence is seen in the result. Yeah, Shreya.
yes, ma'am. And I also mentioned one thing, ma'am. Like, I didn't purchase classes for the audit. I watched your marathons, your fast track batches from the deeper classes. And for the corporate accounting, I purchased it from someone. But auditing, I didn't purchase any classes. And I secured 78 in corporate accounting and auditing also, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. So auditing, like, did you take the marathons from the channel, or was it all self-study?
Self-study, but I watched marathon also, ma'am.
Okay, very good. And how about SM?
In OMSM, I scored 74.
Wow, that is
For
also amazing number.
Acha,
ma'am.
Shreya, now I want to ask you a question that many students find the FMBDA subject very challenging, as we all know, because they say कि there are so many concepts and it is a very vast subject as well. But how do you find it subject very easy? Because मेरे को याद है एक बार जब मेरी आपसे बात हुई थी, you told me that sir I am finding it very easy, कि क्लासेस देखा उसके बाद होमवर्क किया जितना हो रहा है I am finding it very easy. So what extra effort did you make to make it easy?
Um, for FMBDA, the practice is required for FMBDA, sir. If you practice more, we can score easily. And for FMBDA, also focus more on the MCQ for all the subject, for all 8 subjects. We should focus on the MCQ. Try to score in that MCQ. And your FMBDA book is very good, sir. In that, many of the questions are coming from the book also because you cover the previous year questions also, sir.
Yes,
Solve
yes.
that book 3 to 4 times so we can score the exemption in FMBDA, sir.
Thank you so much, Shreya. Thank you so much. Okay,
Very,
one
very good.
last question from my end. Then Disha ma'am, you can ask your questions. Just one last
Sure,
question.
sure.
Shreya, tell me one thing. कि as per your journey for CMA intermediate, there are some do's and don'ts. जब आपको लगता है that yes, I did this thing very correctly. Apart from MCQs, yes, we understood that MCQ वाला part कि you focused a lot on MCQs. Apart from MCQs, what was your strategy for entire both group one as well as group two? Because targeting both the groups simultaneously is not something that so many students can do. And what are the don'ts that some mistakes you have done and you want to tell your juniors that please don't repeat these mistakes, enabled so that you can clear the exams in very
In one go.
in one go. Yes.
It may be a theory subject or a practical subject. Practice more and for refer the institute study material. Practice the study material 3 to 4 times because most of the questions are study material based, not a direct questions, but it is based on the study material concept. So focus more on the study material instead of watching the marathons or any unnecessary classes. Like the students are watching more and more classes in the YouTubes instead of practicing their study material. So focus more on the study material. After that, refer some marathon also and practice each and every question at least 2 to 3 times so you can master in that question, and also make keynotes and the formulas, a list of the formulas, and the MCQ also, ma'am.
Okay. And what
Very
are the
important.
don'ts?
Yes.
Don't when come to don'ts, I didn't feel any don'ts in my journey.
Okay.
I didn't
But
feel
what could
any
be a
don'ts.
caution to this for the students? What can be a caution that you made sure that it should not be a matter of concern for you?
Stay away from
Like
the
like you
some
mentioned,
social media. What, ma'am?
stay away from social media. Like you
Social
also
medias
mentioned, right?
and
Instead
some
of watching
distractions.
10 marathons.
Just
So
practice
sorry,
your
please continue.
study material. And I said that don't distract and don't stay away from the social medias, ma'am. Stay consistent and do hard work, ma'am.
Very well, very well. So this was your experience with FMBDA. I would also like to understand the subject that you studied with me, like audit and law. You studied maybe on YouTube, yeah. But then in
Yes,
regular
ma'am.
classes, you studied from me SM, strategic
Yes,
management,
ma'am.
if I'm not wrong, yeah. So how much did you secure? Like you mentioned, I think 76,
74, ma'am. 74.
74. That's an amazing number. So, what was your strategy in OMSM and your experience with me while studying SM?
For the experience was good, ma'am. For OM, I practiced the institute study mat only and refer the scanners. From the 2009 question paper, I practiced 2009 to the 2025 December. Till that, I practiced all questions from the OM. And I practiced each and every questions of the study material at least 4 to 5 times. And for come to the SM, I felt difficult in the beginning, so I start make the short notes for the SM, and also focus more on the SM MCQs, as you mentioned in the classes, like you highlight the MCQs. So I make the short note of the MCQ and practice that, ma'am. For the theory questions, I made short notes from each and every topics. I made the short notes and practice that, ma'am.
Very well. So I'm just seeing your conversation, our conversation on WhatsApp. Yeah. So yes, बहुत बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आपने लॉ के पूछे हुए हैं, जैसे अमेंडमेंट से रिलेटेड, और आपने मेरे से क्वेश्चंस एसएम से रिलेटेड भी पूछे हुए हैं। या तो एसएम में आपने जैसे पढ़ाई करी है ना, बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या करते हैं ओएमएसएम या तो लास्ट के लिए छोड़ देते हैं, या फिर अगर वो स्टार्टिंग में करते भी हैं तो मे बी वो प्रैक्टिकल पोर्शन ऑफ ओएम कर लेते हैं और एसएम कह देते हैं कि हम बाद में देखेंगे। इज दिस अ राइट स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर ओएमएसएम, और व्हाट वाज योर स्ट्रैटेजी इफ आई हैव टू पुट इट इन अदर वे वर्ड्स?
It is not right, ma'am. For my opinion, it is not right, ma'am. Focus more on the SM also, SMOM both. Focus more, and don't ignore any concept. It may be theory or a practical. Give equal importance to each module and the chapters, ma'am. For all of 8 subjects, give equal importance. Then only you can secure the exemptions.
Very well.
That
Super.
selective study will not help to study secure the all India rank, ma'am. We have to study each and
Yes.
every topic if we want to all India rank.
And in my opinion, like we don't know we'll land up with AIR or not. We are targeting maybe, but sometimes people do a lot of selective studies, right? और selective studies से कभी-कभी पास होना भी मुश्किल हो जाता है, let alone all
Yes,
India
ma'am.
rank.
Yes, ma'am.
तो
Selective study. Sometimes the selective study will not help, ma'am. Some in the management accounting, the chapter marginal cost to something, that chapter consists 30% of weightage. But in the exam, I can't attend that chapter, ma'am. The question was very difficult. If I do the selective
Yes.
study, I will lost the exemption, and maybe I will not pass also if I do the selective study in that subject. I give a equal importance. It may be 5% or a 10% weightage subject chapter, ma'am.
right, and sometimes the institute also does not follow the weightage percentage given in the book, the modules to the T. Sometimes they differ. They mention that this topic is for 5%, but then you will see a lot of marks coming from that chapter. So selective studies is dangerous in a professional course like ours.
But many of the students do the selective studies, so I said that, ma'am.
Yes, absolutely. Thanks for the wonderful message, Shreya. It was a reminder, and I hope everybody who is watching this video makes a note of it and try to implement it. Because जैसे जैसे exams पास आने लगते हैं, people try to take shortcuts, and shortcuts sometimes don't give you the result that you are targeting,
Ma'am,
isn't it?
Yes,
I want to appreciate
yes,
Shreya
ma'am.
for two things for sure. One is for giving importance to each and every module. ये बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स नहीं करते, दे जस्ट जंप ऑन टू दी सिलेक्टिव स्टडी. एंड सेकंड मैम, जो कि वेरी अंडररेटेड है, she is from south and the only language she can
Yes,
communicate is
sir.
in English, but we deliver the our sessions in English language, bilingual. So it was
Yes.
very difficult for her, but still she made it. She watched all the lectures, and even sometimes she used to ask me, sir, you said at this particular time stamp you said something like this, what does it mean? So like this dedication, इस तरीके का dedication एंड इस तरीके का वो एक माइंडसेट, बिकॉज बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स मैम, अगर मैं अपने आप को भी उसकी जगह रख के देखूं, इफ आई रिसीव ऑल द क्लासेस इन इंग्लिश ओनली, एंड बिकॉज आई आई यूज टू स्टडी इन बाईलैंग्वेज, अगर मुझे सब कुछ इंग्लिश में मिल जाए तो मुझे भी डिफिकल्टी होगी. एंड दिस थिंग रियली जो है बहुत ज्यादा अप्रिशिएट करने लायक है. सो रियली अप्रिशिएबल श्रेया.
Shreya, your hard work paid off. Yes, all
Yes,
your
ma'am.
consistency, discipline, it paid off. And we pray from all of our hearts to the Almighty God that, like you shined in CMA Intermediate, you continue to shine in final and beyond.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Yes. So we'll stay connected. Any help that you may require with your training or with your finals, we are there for you. You already have our phone numbers, right? You can just simply text us or give us a call, and we'll be happy to help you.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. So, and any parting words before we close this interview for your
Uh,
teachers, maybe for the journey of CMA, or a message for the students, or it could be all three. We are all
uh,
ears. The stage is all yours.
I would like to mention one thing, ma'am. After completing my PUC, I started CA, but I felt along with BCom, but I felt difficult and quit that, ma'am. Maybe it may be the best decision I take in my life. Now I'm a rank holder in CMA. Now I'm realizing that this is the best decision I have ever taken in my life, ma'am. And I also scored a second rank in the BCom also, ma'am.
Wow, congratulations once again. Kudos to all your efforts. Yeah. So sometimes, we think that a failure is no devastating. It is the end of our career or maybe end of the life. But sometimes failures are new opportunities. Like you were
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
find new opportunity for yourself and was able to sail. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was your message of life, yeah, and your message for your teachers and for their students, if you have any.
Take everything positively in your life and stay consistent and do hard work. You can achieve everything through the hard work only. There is no shortcut for the success. Stay consistent and do the hard work. All the best for all the student, ma'am, for their upcoming attempt.
Okay. All the best, Shreya. So happy to talk to you. Piyush sir, anything that you want to talk to Shreya?
Congratulations for all your achievements, and इन achievements के साथ
Thank you.
just एक चीज को mind में रखना, these achievements should motivate you, these achievements should not pull you down. मतलब in future take these achievements in your mind as a motivation that I have to
Okay.
carry forward this legacy of mine in finals as well. But इस चीज को अपने mind पे मत आने देना. Otherwise, I have seen so many people जो पहले बहुत अच्छा करते हैं and बाद में उनका परफॉर्मेंस वैसा नहीं रहता. Just इतना ही है, and all the best for your upcoming all the levels of
Thank
CMA
you,
and all
sir.
the levels of life. And also, just one thing from our side, किसी भी लाइफ पॉइंट पे इफ यू नीड मी दिशा मैम और एनी ऑफ आवर सीएमए सारथी, यू कैन डेफिनेटली कॉन्टैक्ट अस एनी पॉइंट ऑफ एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन योर लाइफ.
Yes, it's a message from the entire CMA Sathi team to you. Many congratulations once again, and may you continue to rise and shine.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
ओके, थैंक
Okay,
यू सो मच.
Shreya, thank you so much.